So in this video we will see what is the standard form, okay, and how we will write different terms in standard form in negative power as well as positive power, okay. So there are many situations in which large number or very small number are used, okay, and we can't able to write those large numbers again and again. Means suppose 20 zeros are there, okay, so how we can write? Or suppose 20 zeros decimal before numeric, like this. Here I am taking red color, so here like this 0 0 0 0 0 0 0 0. So how we can write? Okay, so instead of this, these how many zeros, we can remove it, and uh, we will write in another form, so that it will be in our number, but it will be means side by side, it will be easy for us, okay. So this is known as the standard form. Means how we will write a big number or very small number in the form of positive powers of 10 and negative powers of 10. So very large number or small number, how they can be? So suppose, say for example, circumference of the earth is approximately 40075 this much kilometer. So it's very big, approximately we were saying, okay, not exact. And same another example is some bacteria cell have diameter of approximately 0.0004 mm. So this is too small. So how we can write these large or small numbers in the power of 10? That is known as the standard form. So many digits can be hard to comprehend or operate with, as I have already told you. For this standard form or scientific notation is used. So just remember, if your question is asking write a standard form of given number, so same, write scientific notation of given number, so it is also same. So what is the synonym of standard form? You can also say scientific notation. It is also used in physics, okay. Means large number can be written in the form of standard notation. You will see in your higher classes in physics also. So standard form involves writing a given number as a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by an integer power of 10. So again I am explaining you what is a standard form. A standard form involves writing a given number, means whatever number they have given you. So writing a given number as a number between 1 and 10 multiplied by an integer power of 10. So always you will write those zeros in power of 10. It has the form. So this form can be, means you can say that it is a formula, okay, formula or condition. Formula or condition for standard form. So a multiplied by 10 raised to the power n, where what is the condition of a? A should be greater than equals to 1 and less than 10, and n is an integer. So n an integer means it can come in the form of integer plus minus 1 plus 1 2 3 minus 1 2 3, okay, 0 also. So to write a number larger than 10, we start with a number between 1 and 10 and then multiply it with a positive power of 10. So here we are writing how we can write in positive power or how we can write negative power. So suppose if they will give you 36. So 36 can be written in the form of 3.6 into 10. And whatever we will write, that is equal to your given number. Okay, so in this question what they are giving you, they are giving you 36. So you have to write 36 in such a way, or write in a scientific notation, so your answer will exactly equal to your given number. So see here, if we will write 36 is equals to 3.6 into 10. So what happens? Okay, so 3.6 into 10, remove decimal. So when we will remove decimal, and how many digits after decimal? It's 1. So 10 will be here in the denominator, and cut, simplify this and the 10 and 10, so we will get 36. Okay, so it means 36 can be written in the form of 3.6 into 10. Next, 670. So this can be written as 6.7 into 100. How we can write it? Just see here, 6.7 into 100. Okay. Now remove decimal. So only one digit after decimal. So how many zero we will put after 1 in denominator? Only 1, because number of digits after decimal is 1. Okay. So this will cut, 0 and 0 will cut, and we get 670. Yes. So 670 can be written in the form of 6.7 into 10 raised to the power 2, because 100 can be written in the form of 10 raised to the power 2, as we have already seen in index laws. Next question is 8090. So 8090 can be written as 8 point, how 8.09 into 1000. So just simplify it. How many digits after decimal? So 2 digits. Okay, so in denominator how many zeros will be after 1? 2 zeros. Okay, now cut zeros, 1 2 1 2. So we will get 8090. Yes, so 8090 can be written as 8.09 into 10 raised to the power 3. Okay, so how we will judge? Next question, how we will judge and how we can say that we will write 3.6, we will write 6.7 into 100, or we will write 8.09 into 1000. Okay, so just see what happens when they will give you 36. Just remember, you have to put decimal after one digit, or before or after decimal only one digit should be here. Okay, so where we should put? In between of 3 and 6. Okay, and again the same condition here, it is 670, so where we should put? 6.7. And how many digits we are we have how many digits we have to put decimal? 2 digits. Since 2 digits are here, so we will multiply it by 100. Here only 1 digit, so we will multiply it by 10. Here we are having 3 digits to put decimal after 1 digit, so we are multiplying by with 1000. So how we will decide whether it is 10, 100 or 1000? We will decide by with the position of decimal. Okay, means how many steps your decimal will jump. So here it is jumping 3. Okay, so 1000. In second question it is 2 steps, like this. So formula form: to multiply a number by 10 raised to the power n is greater than 0, shift the decimal point and places to the right. Okay, now we are seeing next, to write a number smaller than 1. Smaller than 1 means if it is very small number, so how we can write? So smaller than 1, we start with a number between 1 and 10 and then divide. So just remember, if it is smaller than 1, so you have to divide by the power of 10, or if you are dividing by the power of 10, then your power will come in power 10 raised to the power in minus form. For example, if we have 0.95, so as you know, earlier I have already told you that your decimal should be after one digit. Okay, so we have 0.95, but decimal should be where 9.5. So how many places our decimal is shifting? 1. Okay, so since only one place is shifting, so we will divide it by 10, and this can be written as, whenever we are doing division, so what is the modus operandi for doing division? Division will be changed into multiplication, and second term will be reverse. If it is numerator, then it will come in the denominator. Okay, so 9.5 into 10 raised to the power 1, or simply we can write 9.5 into 10 raised to the power minus 1. These type of sum means, if they will ask you write numbers in scientific notation or standard form, so these type of sums, or while doing these type of sums, your final answer can come in negative power of 10. Okay, final answer can be written in the negative power of 10. Now see next question. It is 0.0009. Okay, see here, 0.0009. As you know, where our decimal should be, so our decimal should be after 9, means after one digit. Okay, so how many steps your decimal is moving? 1, 2, 3 and 4. So how many zeros after 1? So 9 will be divided by 1, 2, 3, 4. Or we can write 9 in 9, division will be multiplication, and this is 10 raised to the power 4. Now it will come up, so we will get 9 into 10 raised to the power 4. Clear? So through this you can easily do the sums related to the scientific notation or standard form in exponent rules. So just summarize it. So why we are doing standard form? Because we have different two type of numbers. We are using two types of number. It can come in the form of large, or it can come in the form of small. So we are not able to write these many zeros before digit or after digit. So for doing these type of sum, we use 10 raised to the power in positive terms as well as negative terms. Okay, and whenever we will do these powers, you have to write in such a way, or you have to write in scientific notation in such a way that your answer should be exactly same as your question. Okay, so means you have to do simplify. You have to do simplify your answer and check it whether it is equal to your question or not. If it is not equal, means you are doing some mistakes of like this. Means here you are seeing that our decimal is moving 4 steps, no, 4 steps. So maybe you were doing 3 steps or 2 steps. So just check it. Okay. Okay, bye bye. Hope this video will help you. Thank you.